What's up? We are back with another unboxing, or unbagging. I don't know what you want to call it, right? We've got the two angles here. If you notice in the little white square there, that's my target. I try to get that top camera to point there so I know where I'm looking, okay? So bear with me, guys. We're getting this thing under control. All right, so today's unboxing got a really cool piece of gear here. This is for the studio. You all know, like, this is a photography studio, product video, product photography. And I thought we need to add some more gear to the studio. We need to be able to create more creative shots. And so today we're doing this. This is the Zecti camera slider. Okay, this is small little camera slider that you can pick up on Amazon for about, I want to say $25 on Amazon. The Zecti camera slider, all right? So let's get into this thing, all right? Kobe. No, LeBron. Oh man. Hey, y'all catch that footage of Russell Westbrook dunking on everybody? Oh my gosh. All right, so here we go. We've got a cool little clean carrying case right here. I like stuff. Gear that comes with bags. I really appreciate it, man, because I got tons of gear and I got to take it places. So if it comes in a bag, I like that. If I can take this and put it in an even bigger bag with all my other stuff and not have to worry about it being damaged, I like it. All right, here we go. Open that bad boy up. Whoa! Oh my goodness. We got some Allen wrenches right here. Obviously, you're gonna need those. Got our instruction manual. Okay, for the camera slider. The Zecti camera slider. There it is. All right, and let's pull this thing out. Okay. I got some more little things here. That's a little adapter for your camera. If your camera requires bigger threads, you can use this. Okay. And look at this. Wow, this thing is so smooth. Oh my gosh. Well, let's test this bad boy out. Let's put it down like right here. Up here, Cam 2 will be able to see it. Oh my gosh, that's so smooth. Oh my gosh, I can't wait to put a camera on that. Do some slow dolly shots with it. Oh my goodness. Okay, here in the front you can see there is a little level here, so that way you can set it. On the bottom here you have these little screws here that can adjust the variable height, so you can level out your slider so you get a really good shot. And then right here, there's a lock here. So you can lock this in place, right? You can unlock it so you can remove it. Lock it in place. It's up to you, whatever you want to do, right? This is super cool, man. This is going to help us get better product photography, better product videos. You can use this way and do a zoom in, right? You could bring it back where you can have them, pull out of the shot a little bit, right? Instead of having to use your variable zoom on your lens, you could use this to make a really good steady shot, right? And keep focus if you need to. Really cool little things you can do. You can do a reveal with this, and what I mean by a reveal is the camera's behind an object, and that's right in front of you, and you slowly pull the camera out from behind the object, revealing the subject behind or whatever it was in front of the camera. So you could do those kind of shots with it. Super cool little piece, little gadget here. Very beneficial for people using it for studio stuff, photography, videos. Once again, this is the Zecti camera slider. We'll be using this here in the Average's podcast studio, and they'll have links in the description where you can get this on Amazon for about $35, $25, somewhere around there. There it is, the Zecti slider. Laters.